Hello, Dr. Hong. My name is Luke. I'll be presenting our project. He's Fact, the operator of our system, and Dai is the cameraman. These are our SIDs. First of all, I'd like to show you our code. This code controls LEDs to blink Morse code messages based on the button inputs. Initially, we include necessary libraries and define necessary variables to make the code more readable. 3 LEDs are set to output mode. The main loop checks if the button is pressed. When pressed twice, the LEDs blink a sequence spelling out team members' names in Morse code. 4 presses trigger an SOS signal. Pressing 6 times resets the system. The system ensures accurate button press detection using debounce delays and a timer to reset if the button isn't pressed again within 3 seconds. Regarding the overview of the project and the hardware setup, our system consists of 3 main stages. Initially, all LEDs are off. After pressing the button twice, consecutively, it communicates the start signal, the names of the team members, and the stop signal, all in Morse code. While the initial stage is running, I'll go briefly over the technical details of the setup. We use port B, pins 0, 1, and 2 for the LEDs, and pin D2 for the button. The pull-up resistor configuration ensures that when unpressed, the button reads as high or 1, and when pressed, it reads as low or 0. All resistors used are 220 ohms. We think that the value is sufficient to prevent LEDs from burning. Okay, back to the demonstration. The second stage sends out the start signal again, then an SOS message, and ends with the stop signal, only after the initial stage has finished and the button is pressed 2 more times. Finally, the third stage resets the system, returning to stage 1, after the second stage has finished and the button is pressed again twice. We selected a time unit of 200 milliseconds based on our belief that it provides an appropriate blinking speed for the system. Consequently, we assign a duration of 200 milliseconds to each dot, 600 milliseconds to each dash, and 600 milliseconds to the gap between characters. We've designed the system to use pull-up resistors on our buttons to avoid floating states, ensuring stable input signals. We derived the pull-up resistor configuration and obtained the Morse code from online sources to ensure the correct setup. The code itself was entirely developed by our team. Another technical detail that we would like to demonstrate is that when you press this button once and wait for over 3 seconds, and then press again, the LEDs will not flash as the button count will have reset to the previous stage, and it will only flash after we press it twice. Thank you.